Hi guys, so we are still on gold and this is what the channel is looking like. So I'm just going over recapping. Essentially, if we go back to the gold 4H, as I showed you in the last video, this is what's happening, but we're expecting a retrace to come back to this zone of resistance, okay, before market will form a new channel to the downside on the 15 minutes, okay? And going back to the 15 minutes to the upside, I told you this is the channel you're looking at right now. Now gold has broken out of this smaller channel, but we're expecting it to get back to this around the zone or thereabouts. Possibly it might not make it. You just have to keep an eye on the channel that's forming to the downside on the 15 to know when it's ready, but I'm expecting it to get to these zones, but nothing is guaranteed, obviously. Now over the night, I can see that gold broke this smaller channel to the upside, okay? And if we just zoom in on this, we can see that it formed this little channel that led to the upside, but I'm expecting it to, even though it's now broken out of this to the upside, I'm expecting it to come back down. I actually had a buy order here, which of course wasn't triggered because market only made it here. So let's see if market comes back down to take me in around this area. I'll keep a close eye on the market just to see what it does. And of course, market can still go past here, form a double bottom, a proper sniper double bottom, essentially. But I would say this is like a safe area to enter. So waking up to see that I'm not triggered, I'm still going to wait for the market because there are a few other markets that I am looking at anyway. So if I don't get into gold, I am going to get into another market because I mostly trade Forex. So I have my eye on a really good trade on Forex right now, which is USD JPY, but this is what gold is doing right now. But essentially, if you're worried that you're going to miss the trade, then you could essentially get in. If you had kept your eye on the market, you could have chosen to get in when market broke out here, but I'm going to see what it does when it retraces down and all sorts, okay? So this is what I'm seeing on gold right now. But, you know, there's nothing to essentially be scared of if you know how to manage your entries well and your risk management, your risk to reward. You can essentially get in any way you want and ride it up. However, I prefer to get in correctly, but just to let you know, this is the channel, smaller channel gold broke out of, which also broke out of this line, but I'm hoping we get a retrace to take us into the trade, guys. So let's keep a close eye. You choose your entry. I don't choose your entry for you. I was looking to get in here. I didn't get triggered. So let's watch this space and see what gold does.